Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Universe. Today we are going to learn about how to create your own NFT collection in just 5 minutes without any coding. Have you ever wondered how these NFT collections are created? Let me create an NFT collection for you and do follow these steps to create your own NFT collection in just 5 minutes. Don't skip any part else you might not understand the steps and that are required to create the NFT collection. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any notification from my end. You must be thinking this activity will require any coding of that sort, or like you need to run some algorithms. No, nothing like that. We actually will use another website to mint our NFT collections of this sort. So you would require some bunch of image layers which you need to process, and I can show it to you. This is my image layers like background, suit, shoulder, pen, facial hair, skin, hair. So this is one of my NFT generator, and these are my, you can say, like layers to it. And so what I have to do is I have to go to a site called mintables.club. So over here what I'll do is I'll actually sign up, so that is required. So for this demo purpose I'll create a testing username, and I'll just sign up for you folks. Testing username, just click on this captcha and click on sign up. Okay, so this was my previous email ID that might have been taken, so let me just try it with another one. So as you can see, this is like the mint table sign up column, and I'll just click on I'm not a robot, and I'll just do a sign up over here. So it will ask me to save my password. I'll just do not now. So what I have to do is I have to go to my projects because there are no projects of mine over here. So what I have to do is I have to create a project. So I'll just click on create project, and over here you have to see that this group is very important. All the layering and everything of your minting of your NFT collection is done through the grouping part. So first of all, we'll give it a name. Let's give it a name, testing NASA. So I'll just go and scroll down. I'll just click on save. Over here also I'll just create a group name, testing NASA. So as you can see, now my group has been created over here. I have to click on the layers as I have shown you here as well. Like these are actually the layers. So we have to kind of similar structure should be created over here itself, so that we can actually start minting our background. So let me just show it to you. It is nothing, it is just like PNG image. Then if I'll go into this orange, this is the suit of my astronaut, so that is why I kept my name as NASA astronaut. So as you can see, it is over here. So these are actually just layers, so we have to import all the layers over here as well. So what I'll do is I'll just create on layer. I have to create a similar structure, so I'll just write the same keywords, background. Once my layer is done, what I have to do is I'll just go to my background, and what I'll do is I'll just paste these images over here. Again, the same activity has to be done. So as you can see, this light blue is over here. Now I'll go for the orange PNG. Similarly, I'll just create another layer to it, which is suit. Another layer was shoulder. another layer was skin, another layer was here. So similarly, I'll do the same thing. I'll just import these images to it. So in the suit, I have to put orange suit over here. Now I'll put white suit. Similarly on the shoulder side, what I'll do is I'll just click on this, paste it over here. Now again I'll click on this and paste it over here. Similarly, I'll go to skin, click on skin. Over here I'll just click on skull, paste it over here. Now I'll go to here and I'll just pick it up. Awesome. So for this example, I'm just putting not that much images because this demo will be like so huge, and I don't want to waste your time. You must be like you guys would be able to understand the steps, and if not, do comment. I'll create a you can say like step-by-step video for you as well. This is a shorter stuff. So over here you can see like there is an option of like you have to go and generate images. So just click on this. Once you have clicked on like how many unique images you want to generate, you can like click on any number like 10,000 images you want to create for your collection or anything of that sort. But I don't want to waste your time, so I'll just click on 4 so that it can just generate it right away. So once it is created, so as you can see like it is done, and it is asking me like, do you want to allow downloads on your machine? So I'll just do allow, and the same has been downloaded. So what I'll do is like for this particular piece, I can actually go into OpenSea and I can just put it over here and create it, sell it, whatever I want. And if you don't know how to do that, I have a video for that as well. I believe it will be showing up over here on the right hand top side, and you can click and understand like how can you do that as well. Finally, like let me show it to you like what all images have been generated. So let's go to the download part. So as you can see, let me just post it over here. This is testing.nasa. So just open it. As you can see, if I'll go to these images, so see these 4 images have been generated. Awesome. So I hope you learned something today and it was helpful to you folks. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope like it was a useful session for you folks. And thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.